Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, and you?
Fine. Thank you. Today we shall learn a lesson, 8th class English lesson. The name of the lesson is mongoose. You know mongoose. Mongoose means what? Neula. What did I say? Neula. Have you ever seen a mongoose? ତମେ କେବେ ନେଉଳ ଦେଖିଛ କି? Have you ever seen a mongoose? Yes or yes? Where? In your area? And also we have seen it in our schools, right? So mongoose is an animal, quick running animal. They are well known for their enmity towards snake. Snake means sapa. That means a mongoose is an enemy of a snake. Could you understand? They are carnivorous, mansasi or non-vegetarian. Right? Sometimes we keep them as a pet. ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ପୋଷା ମନେଇଥାଉ. Right? So here is a very interesting and a nice story about mongoose. Now let's move to the next page. Lesson 3, mongoose. Right? Pre-reading. What do you know about mongoose? Mongoose is an animal. They kill snakes, right? They eat meat, flesh, or they are non-vegetarians or carnivorous. We keep them as a pet. Next. So, see the picture. Here is the picture. This is the picture of a mongoose, right? This is the picture of a cobra, Nagasapa. This is the picture of mongoose. The mongoose is attacking the cobra. Nagasapku mongoose आक्रमण करुछि. Look at the picture. Here is the picture. Who is attacking whom? The mongoose is attacking the cobra. Cobra is a snake. Its Oriya meaning is Nagasapa. Could you understand? Now let's move to the next page. Yes, this is while reading. SGP means Sense Group Paragraph 1. Read paras 1 and 2 silently and answer the questions that follow. Here, mongoose. This is the plural form of mongoose. Mongoose plural form mongoose. Like to hunt together. Mongoose like to hunt
Together.
question for you. Mongoose like what?
Mongoose
You like mongoose like
to hunt
together. Hunt माने शिकार करिबा. एकत्र शिकार करिबाकू नेउल माने भल पाती. Could you understand? What mongoose like? Mongoose is like to hunt together. But look at your book, put on your finger. But they always, they means who? Mongooses. Always keep a lookout for dangerous hunting animals nearby. They are very watchful, बड़ सतर्क सावधान about dangerous animals nearby. निकटरे थिबा विपदपूर्ण पशुपक्षी हंटिंग एनिमल्स शिकारी मानव पे से भारी जत्नवान कौ माने भारी जत्न हु आर वेरी केयरफुल mongooses are very careful about what about hunting animals शिकार करुवा पशु मानक नियर बाय मीन्स निकटवर्ती पशु मान दे आर वेरी watchful careful or they always keep a lookout for dangerous hunting animals nearby while poking their noses नाक मोड़िवा नोज मीन्स नाक मोड़िवा while poking their noses look at it while poking their noses ଯେତେବେଳେ ନାକ ମୋଡ଼ନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ନାକ ମୋଡ଼ନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ନାକ ମୋଡ଼ନ୍ତି into holes or while poking their noses into holes ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗାତ ଭିତରୁ ନାକଟା ପୁରାନ୍ତି ଅର୍ଥରେ ଆସିଯିବ holes overturning rocks ମାନେ ଶିଳା ଗୁଡ଼ାକୁ ସବୁ ଓଲଟେଇ ଦେଇ with their pass ତାଙ୍କର पंजारे शिला गुड़ा को ओल्टे देवे हला while poking their noses into holes गात भितर नाक पुरेगिरी मोड़ीगिरी नाक मोड़ीगिरी overturning मीन्स ओल्टे देवा रॉक्स शिला पत्थर with their pass तांकर पंजारे who overturns rocks mongoose who pokes their noses into hole mongoose right and scratching the ground scratch माने कौन रामपुड़ीवा scratching the ground भूमि को रामपुड़ी with their sharp claws तांकर पंजारे भूमि को रामपड़ती मंगूस लुक वेरी एम्यूजिंग सेतल से माने भारी मौजिया देखा जाती बुझीला कि नहीं कौन कहला सेमानकर निकटवर्ती स्थान रे शिकार उद्देश्य रे छपी रही क्षतिकारक पशु मान प्रति अत्यंत सतर्क थांती से माने 20 जनिया एडे देइछि ए कॉमन साइट इन मेनी पार्ट्स ऑफ अगेन mongooses like to hunt together but they always keep a lookout सतर्क दृष्टि रखि थांती फॉर डेंजरस हंटिंग एनिमल्स नियर बाय निकटवर्ती अंचल रे विपदपूर्ण शिकारी मानक उपरे तीक्ष्ण नजर रखि थांती while poking their noses into holes गात भितर नाक जेतल मोड़ी मोड़ी पुरी नियंती overturning rocks with their paws तांग पंजारे शिला गुड़ा को उल्टी दियंती and scratching the ground भूमि को रामपुड़ंती with their sharp claws तांकर तीक्ष्ण पंजारे बा तीक्ष्ण नखरे रामपड़ंती मंगूज लुक वेरी एम्यूजिंग भारी मौजिया देखा जाती ओके ए कॉमन साइट इन मेनी पार्ट्स ऑफ अफ्रीका गोटे साधारण दृश्य दे ट्रावेल इन ग्रुप्स ऑफ अबाउट 20 से माने 20 जनिया दल होई अफ्रीका अंचल रे यात्रा करथांती टू लुक फॉर बीटल्स लुक फॉर मीन्स खोजुता अन्वेषण रे कार अन्वेषण से बीटल्स मीन्स डू यू नो व्हाट इज बीटल्स गोबर पोक मिलीपेट्स जानछ तेलुणिया पोक गेंडाड़िया पोक देखन लंबा लंबा जाक केते पाद ताउ जिंदी जाउची हला तेलुणिया पोक गोबर ये एंड अदर स्मॉल किच एवं अन्य क्षुद्र कीट पतंग खाई बंचती खोजन अन्वेषण करती ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ ଦେଲା ସେମାନେ ସାଧାରଣତଃ ଗୋବର ପୋକ ପରି ପୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ ହେଲା ତାପରେ ଶତପଦୀ ବା ସହସ୍ରପଦୀ ବା ଯେପରିକି ତେଲୁଣିଆ ପୋକ ଗେଣ୍ଡାଳିଆ ପୋକ ଭଳି ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ କୀଟ ପତଙ୍ଗ ଜୀବମାନଙ୍କୁ ଖୋଜି ବୁଲିଥାନ୍ତି। ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଦେ ଲୁକ୍ ଫର୍ ସେମାନେ କ'ଣ ଖୋଜନ୍ତି? ଦେ ଲୁକ୍ ଫର୍ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଦେ ଲୁକ୍ ଫର୍ ବିଟଲ୍ସ ଗୋବର ପୋକ, ମିଲିପେଟ୍ସ ଗେଣ୍ଡାମାଳିଆ ପୋକ और ତେଲୁଣିଆ ପୋକ एंड अदर स्मॉल क्रिएचर अन्यान्य कीट पतंग खोजती। दे लाइक टू हंट टुगेदर दे लाइक टू हंट टुगेदर मीन्स हंट शिकार करिया टुगेदर माने एकत्रित से माने एकत्रित शिकार करने को पसंद करती राइट। नेक्स्ट कीपिंग इन टच व्हेरेवर दे गो आउट गो जुआड़े जाऊँगी जातु किंतु परस्पर सहित संपर्क रखिथे। टच माने स्पर्श बट ये जाए संपर्क। दे व्हाइल हंटिंग दे विल गो बट व्हेरेवर दे गो जुआड़े जातु ना कहीं दे कीप इन टच विथ वन अनदर गो आउट ऑफ साइट तांकर दृश्य गो आउट ऑफ साइट अदृश्य हेले मध्य से माने संपर्क रखिथांती। बिहाइंड रॉक्स से माने पर्वत शिला पछपटे अदृश्य होईगले मध्य और बुशेस बाय ट्विटरिंग एंड कॉलिंग से माने बुदा आढ़ुआड़े किंबा पहाड़ आढ़ुआड़े अदृश्य होईगले मध्य किछि किछि सेमानकर स्वाभाविक शब्द डाक छाड़ी से माने परस्पर सहित संपर्क रखिथांती। हु द मंगूजेस कीप टचिंग संपर्क रखती बाय ट्विटरिंग और कॉलिंग तांकर स्वाभाविक चित्कार करी से माने परस्पर मध्य संपर्क रखिथांती। Always on the look at here always on the just 1 minute always on the look out for danger से माने सदा बेले विपद पाई सतर्क होइके थान दे आर ऑलवेज वाचफुल अबाउट डेंजर देरे हंटिंग एनिमल्स आर से माने हंटिंग होउची हॉक्स बाजपक्षी ईगल्स चिल एमाने गोबर पोक खाती ता तो एमाने होउची गोबर पोकर शिकारी तेलुनिया पोकर शिकारी और अदर क्रिएचर्स शिकारी स्मॉल क्रिएचर्स mongooses आर दी हंटर्स ऑफ beetles millipedes and small creatures. Similarly, hawks this is hawks. Hawks बाजपक्षी माने eagles चिल माने hawks and eagles are the hunters of what? Mongooses. नेउलर शिकारी है किए बाजपक्षी एवं चिल.
Each snake.
Eagle, yes, eagle eats snake. You could understand. Mongoose eats snake. Mongoose attacks snakes, and eagles attack mongooses. साप को नेउल आक्रमण करछि, नेउल को साप आक्रमण करछि. So mongoose is the hunter of snake right? And eagle is the hunter of snake. So they are very watchful about their hunters like hawks and eagles. They warn one another with a special alarm call. ସେମାନେ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକଙ୍କୁ ସତର୍କ ଘଣ୍ଟି ସତର୍କ ଡାକ ଶୁଣାଇ ସାବଧାନ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତି. ୱାନ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ସାବଧାନ, ୱାନ୍ ଏନାଦର ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକଙ୍କୁ ବିତି ଏ ସ୍ପେସିଆଲ ସ୍ୱତନ୍ତ୍ର ଆଲାର୍ମ କଲ୍ ସତର୍କ ଡାକ ପକାଇ. ଇଫ୍ ଯଦି ଦେ ସ୍ପଟ୍ ଏନିଥିଙ୍ଗ ସସ୍ପିସିୟସ୍ କିଛି ଯଦି ସନ୍ଦେହମୂଳକ ଜିନିଷ ଦେଖିଦେଲେ ମାନେ ସେମାନେ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକକୁ ୱିଲ୍ ୱାନ୍ ବିତି ଦେଇ ସ୍ପେସିଆଲ ଆଲାର୍ମ କଲ୍. ବୁଝିପାରିଲ? ମଙ୍ଗୁଜ ଯଦି ଦେଖିଲା କିଛି ବିପଦ ଆସିଗଲା ମାନେ ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର ସତର୍କ ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଚିତ୍କାର ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କୁ ସାବଧାନ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତି. Could understand how they warn others about the coming danger. They warn other fellow beings by making their special call note or by making their special alarm call. Alarm call ସତର୍କ ଡାକ. Next, comprehension questions, बोधगम्य प्रश्नावली. First question is, here is the first question. This is the first question. What is the first question? What are the paras about? এই paragraph ଗୁଡ଼ିକ କାହା ବିଷୟରେ? The paras are about the mongoose. The mongoose, their living style and other things, right? Next, both the paras talk about one very common nature of mongooses. What is that common nature? So the common nature of mongooses is that they hunt together. Question number 3. Mongooses do two kinds of things. ଦୁଇ ପ୍ରକାର ଜିନିଷ କରନ୍ତି. In other words, ଅନ୍ୟ ଅର୍ଥରେ their activities, ତାଙ୍କର କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକଳାପ, activities means କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକଳାପ or work can be divided, ଦୁଇ ଭାଗ ବିଭକ୍ତ କରାଯାଇପାରି, divided into two kinds, ଦୁଇ ପ୍ରକାରରେ ବିଭକ୍ତ କରାଯାଇପାରିବ. What are they? ସେଗୁଡ଼ିକ କ'ଣ କ'ଣ? The two kinds of things they do are looking for food and be watchful for their enemy. For their enemy. Next, question number 4. Look at your book. One of them is looking for food. What do mongooses normally eat? Mongooses normally eat beetles. Beetles means what? Gobar poko. Millipedes means what? Telunia poko or Gendamalia and other small creatures. Next, question number 5. They eat beetles, millipedes, etc. But the mongooses are also eaten by other creatures. Who are these big creatures? Right? The big creatures by which the mongooses are eaten, or the big creatures that eat mongooses are hawks and eagles. Hawks means bajapakhi and eagles means chila. Question number 6. Look at your book. They look for food, but they also look out for what? They look for food, but they also look out for danger,
Eagle.
hawks and eagles. Look out for their enemies or their killers, hunters. What? Hawks and eagles. Question number 7. One very common nature of mongooses is living and hunting together. Both the paras ଅନୁଚ୍ଛେଦ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଉଭୟ ଅନୁଚ୍ଛେଦ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ talk about this common feature means ବୈଶିଷ୍ଟ୍ୟ. Give some examples in support of this from these two paras. Question number 7. Yes, a common sight in many parts of Africa. They travel in groups of about 20. Wait, just 1 minute. They travel in groups of about 20 to look for beetles, millipedes, and other small animals. Question number 8. How do, look at your book, how do they keep in touch with one another? Right? So they keep in touch with one another by twittering and calling. Right? Next page, and it is question number 9. How do they warn each other when, how do they warn each other or one another when they see anything dangerous and suspicious? So when they see anything dangerous, bipadapurna and suspicious, sandehajanaga, they warn each other with a special alarm call. Swatantra, special means swatantra, alarm, satarka, call, dakara. Again, when they see anything dangerous and suspicious, they warn each other with a special alarm call. Next, did you know all these facts about mongooses before you read these paras? এই ଅନୁଚ୍ଛେଦ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ପଢ଼ିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ତମେ ଏ ଯାକ ଜାଣିଥିଲ କି? Did you know means ଜାଣିଥିଲ କି? Do you want to know? ତମେ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛ କି? More about them, ସେମାନଙ୍କ ବିଷୟରେ ଅଧିକା ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛ କି? Read the next two paras. Mongoose look very amusing when they, no, the answer is, sorry, question number 10. The writer calls the mongooses very amusing animals. When do they look amusing? Mongooses look very amusing when they poke their noses into holes, overturn rocks with their paws, and scratch the ground with their sharp claws. And that is the end of today's class or lesson. We shall have other discussions of the topic in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.